Hi everyone. Today I will tell you a story about Prophet Muhammad ﷺ and a spider. But before that, I want you to take a look at the moon. It's beautiful, isn't it? It's the Muharram moon for Islamic New Year. Anyway, let's get to the story. Once upon a time, there was a spider that lived in the cave of Thor. Then one day an angel came to the spider and told him that two men were coming, our beloved Prophet Muhammad ﷺ and Abu Bakr radiallahu anhu. They were migrating to Medina, but bad people wanted to stop them from spreading Islam, so they decided to kill him on their way to Medina. So they would stay in the cave of Thor, and after they came in, he would build a web on the entrance. So he started building. Then, as I've told you, Prophet Muhammad ﷺ and Abu Bakr radiallahu anhu were migrating from Makkah to Medina because the Quraysh, although the Quraysh were Muhammad ﷺ's family, they were against him. They were disbelievers. So they planned to kill them. So Allah told them to stop at the cave of Thor. Then he ordered the spider to build a large web like it was built many years ago. So when the spider finished the web and the disbelievers arrived, the disbelievers would think that nobody entered in the cave for many years because of the spider's web, so they would leave it alone and Muhammad ﷺ and Abu Bakr would be safe. So the spider started working on the web. Then he took a break. Then he heard the disbelievers, so he worked really fast to build the web. And then when the disbelievers saw the web at the entrance of the cave, they thought that that web was created many years ago and nobody has ever entered it. They wouldn't think that Muhammad ﷺ would not enter a cave with a spider web in front of it, so they left. So our beloved Prophet Muhammad ﷺ and Abu Bakr radiallahu anhu were safe. I hope you like my story about Prophet Muhammad ﷺ and the spider. Bye. The message of the story is Allah can even use little creatures instead of elephants and lions and camels to save prophets and to make us more cautious of Allah.